Hi everyone, this is Khalid from Simply Programming. I'm going to do a really quick video on functions. So just create files to start off with. So we're just going to define and detail how functions work. I'm just going to create a little area calculation function. And that should do it. So all that's doing, we're passing in two numbers into the area function, and they get multiplied and returned. Now you can also create functions that have default values. So let's say you had a scenario where the minimum width and height of a plot of land, say, was always going to be 1. So you know that even if you don't supply any parameters like we have here, as a bare minimum, they should default to 1. So we can do that in the following code. So it looks very similar to the previous function. But now what we can do is call the function without any parameters whatsoever, and what we should expect is without any parameters at all, it should just return 1, which it does successfully here. Alternatively, we can supply parameters see what that does. 24. And the really cool thing is we can rearrange the parameters. Oops, made a mistake there. And it works, and that's basically it. As usual, you can download this code from my GitHub. See you next time.